Hello everybody. First off, let me explain the sequence of this video. As some of you know, I went out to Montana earlier this year, actually towards the end of August. It's now the end of October. So all these videos are delayed by about 2 months. I didn't have the opportunity to make a lot of videos while I was on the road. I've got a Mac all-in-one that I do my videos with, which means power source, setting it up, taking it down when I move. So I just didn't get around to making very many of them. I used my phone a little bit on a few things and messed around, but that's about it. So now in this opening sequence is the day I was leaving with the truck packed, everything ready to go. When I started out, I'm heading out to Montana. The end of the trip, I was in Sandpoint, Idaho. And without giving any spoilers, I did a whole lot in between. So I want to thank the new subscribers. I see that there's been a few over the past month or two. And I hope to get some more videos out soon. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoy this one. Okay guys, I finished the Proctor house, or at least all of my parts to it. I went back, did a little deck for him. I'll get an update on that project as soon as I possibly can. But I just wanted to inform everyone. Yeah, so I'm going out to Montana. We've got a little project going on out there, so talked to the guy, he said come on out, I'm gonna do it. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep everyone posted. I always sleep better while in the camper. I don't know why. Maybe the sense of freedom. But after driving 10 or 12 hours, I stopped at this rest area in Roosevelt National Park, slept, fixed a good breakfast, and checked it out a bit before hitting the road for Bozeman, Montana again. I always associate the Badlands with South Dakota and the trips taken with the grandparents as a kid. I never realized that they went into North Dakota also. So I guess we learn something every day. After arriving late in the day, I settled into my new home for what I thought was a couple or 3 weeks. Then went and met with Tom, the owner, and saw the project for the first time. Not a small feat by any means. I had an obligation to another job in Sandpoint, Idaho in a few weeks. After looking around, I figured at least 3 months worth of work here. No way I could stick around that long. So I figured I'd stay and try to see what I could get done in the time that I had. So after another good night's sleep, and watching the sunrise from my camping chair with a fresh cup of coffee, I planned out my day. Then I went and hit it hard. First order of business was to finish sheeting the roof, put the blocking in that I needed, and then to dry it in. So after about a 9 hour day, I finally got that finished. After work, it was barbecued chicken, and to watch some of the most beautiful sunsets I've seen. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.